Hi everyone, and welcome to Psychmint. Today we are going to learn about 10 ways to naturally overcome depression. If you enjoyed today's topic, please be sure to hit the like button and click subscribe to stay up to date with all our newest videos. If you struggle with depression, you understand how crippling it can be. Depression is a mental disorder that can affect every single aspect of your life. Your social life, work life, and personal life can suffer. Depression can cause feelings of sadness, emptiness, despair, irritability, being unmotivated, and can even affect your physical health. Depression is one of the most common mental health disorders in the world, so it's important to know what steps you can take to treat it so that you can live a happy, healthy, fulfilling life. Before we begin, we'd like to share a friendly reminder that this video is solely intended to be for educational purposes only and does not replace the help, diagnosis, or treatment of a professional. Without further ado, let's learn about 10 ways to naturally overcome depression. Number 1. Find ways to relax. Stress is known to cause increased levels of cortisol in the bloodstream and lower serotonin levels in the brain. This combination can lead to other mental health problems, such as anxiety and depression. That's why finding ways to relax and keeping your stress levels down is a great way to beat depression. Try getting regular massages. Massage has several benefits, such as reducing tension in your body, improving circulation, reducing stress hormones, increasing energy, and making you feel relaxed. Reducing all that tension helps lower your cortisol levels and increases serotonin in the brain. Meditation is another useful tool. Mindfulness meditation, in particular, has been shown to help us navigate our emotions in a healthy and effective way. Mindfulness meditation teaches us how to stay in the present moment, to recognize certain emotions, such as stress, anxiety, or depression, and how to accept them and let them go. If you notice yourself starting to show signs of depression, meditating is a great way to center your mind and emotions to help you feel better. Another thing to try is breathing techniques. When we are tensed up and stressed, we tend not to notice that our breathing becomes very shallow. Taking a few deep, long breaths sends a message to our brain to slow down the production of cortisol and relieves tension we hold in our chest. You will instantly feel calmer and much more relaxed. There are also so many other activities that can help you relax, so find your favorite ones and stick to them. Activities like taking a warm bath, turning on soothing music and lighting candles, going for a walk in nature, or activities that just make you happy and bring you joy are all going to help you beat depression. Number 2. Get into a routine. Depression can make all the days blur together, making it difficult to have any type of structure and stability in your daily life. If we don't intentionally try to fix it, it can become a perpetual habit. While it may be most difficult at the beginning to push yourself to get into a routine, once you get into it, you'll find that the control you take back of your days will lift your spirits. A routine will encourage you to develop habits that will make you healthier and help you feel more accomplished. Adding structure to each day minimizes the number of decisions you'll have to make, which can help reduce mental fatigue. For example, deciding on a set wake-up time, scheduling in exercise, and knowing when you'll eat breakfast will get your day off to a great start and help you feel more in control. Creating healthy habits and feeling like you're in charge of your own life will help reduce stress and make you happier. Number 3. Set goals and work towards them. A symptom of depression is feeling unmotivated and paralyzed. A lot of the time, this hinders us from getting any work done or from pursuing our goals, which makes us feel even worse about our depression. Once we get into that cycle, it can be hard to break it. Setting small goals each day is a great way to break the cycle and help us gain the momentum we need to get back on track to feeling better. It's important not to overwhelm yourself and to set realistic goals. Start with one small goal on day 1, like folding the laundry. On day 2, set another small goal, like clearing out and organizing a drawer in your kitchen. On day 3, set another goal to go for a 10-minute walk. As you succeed each day with these small goals, your mood will boost, you'll feel more confident, and you'll gradually start getting motivated to take on bigger goals. Number 4. Try pet therapy. Have you ever felt instantly better after seeing or petting an adorable furry animal? There are actually countless studies that prove how animals can help ease mental disorders, including depression. While dogs are the most common therapy animal, any other type of pet, such as cats, rabbits, birds, reptiles, or horses, can also make great companions to help you through depression. The National Institute of Mental Health recognizes that pet therapy is an effective type of psychotherapy to treat depression. Simply just petting an animal releases endorphins, which are hormones that increase the levels of pleasure and happiness you feel while reducing discomfort and pain. The more endorphins that are released in the body means that you'll feel happier and reduce depression. Number 5. Exercise regularly. A study done at Duke University revealed that simply doing 30 minutes of moderate aerobic exercise just 3 times per week is just as effective as taking antidepressant medication to relieve depression symptoms. It even suggested that those who exercise regularly are more likely to keep their depression at bay. When you exercise, endorphins are released, making you feel happier and more energized. Consistent exercise even helps the brain positively rewire itself, so you're less likely to fall into another bout of depression. Ideal exercises are brisk walking, running, cycling, swimming, hiking, dancing, and kickboxing. And to really maximize on the benefits, exercising outdoors in nature or in the sunlight will make you feel even better. Number 6. Cut out certain foods and beverages. There are some foods that trigger negative reactions in the body and mind. If you suffer from depression, it's a good idea to avoid foods that feed your depression. For example, alcohol is something to avoid. Alcohol is a depressant, or downer, and may seem like a good way to forget your problems for a while, but the long-term effects makes depression much worse. Try to cut back on sugar. Sugary foods and drinks spike your blood pressure level, but after that spike comes a crash that causes feelings of tiredness, depression, and irritability. Those who already struggle with depression will be much more negatively affected by this crash. Refined foods are another type of food that can make depression worse. Junk food and fast food are low in nutrients yet high in calories, which may provide a temporary energy boost at first, but lead to a major crash later. Studies suggest that people who eat a lot of refined foods are more likely to experience depression than those who eat fresh food. One other thing to consider is your coffee intake. While there have been some studies to show that moderate amounts of caffeine actually help relieve symptoms of depression, make sure not to overdo it. Too much coffee can make you jittery, making it difficult to get enough sleep, which worsens depression symptoms. Number 7. Eat certain foods. Scientists believe that foods that contain selenium help ease symptoms of depression. Selenium is an antioxidant that reduces inflammation and increases immunity by lowering oxidative stress in the body. Try incorporating more whole grains, Brazil nuts, shellfish, eggs, and other proteins into your diet. Try eating more omega-3 fatty acids. There is a promising evidence to show that they can help ease depression by enhancing brain function and protecting nerve cells. Eat more nuts, seeds, and oily fish, such as salmon, tuna, and sardines. It's also important to take care of your gut health. Research shows that there is a connection between brain health and gut health. A 2016 study showed that a healthy gut can help reduce symptoms of depression, as well as even developing depression in the first place. Try adding yogurt, kefir, kombucha, and other fermented foods into your diet. Number 8. Get outside. Vitamin D helps regulate mood and reduce depression. While you should also be getting vitamin D from food, getting it directly from the sun is also very important. When we get outside and let the sun shine on us, we instantly get energized and feel happier. Being outside and around nature has a calming effect on our emotions and our mind. By going outside, we are less likely to be staring at the screen of our phone since there are other things going on around us. Excess screen time, social media, and lack of sunlight and outside stimuli all play a part in lowering our mood and making us feel depressed. So if you're feeling down, put on your shoes and get outside for a little while. Number 9. Get enough sleep. A vicious cycle can happen here. Not getting enough sleep can cause or worsen depression, but depression can make it incredibly difficult to fall asleep. So what can be done to fix this problem? Try to stick to a regular sleep schedule, which means that you go to bed at the same time each night and wake up at the same time each morning. Your body will adapt to this rhythm, and having that consistency helps with getting a sufficient amount and better quality of sleep. Make sure your room is quiet, dark, and not too hot or cold. This facilitates the perfect environment to help you fall asleep. Try to limit your screen time at least an hour before bed. If you use electronics too close to bedtime, your brain will still be too stimulated to fall asleep quickly. If you suffer from insomnia or just have a hard time falling asleep, try taking some natural supplements like melatonin, lavender, or magnesium to help relax you into a deep slumber. Number 10. Talk to people you trust. Your friends and family love you and are there to support you. If your depression is becoming overwhelming, call your best friend or talk to a family member about what's going on. They have your best interest in mind and will do whatever they can to help you. Even getting together with family and friends for activities, games, or enjoying a meal together can help you laugh, feel happier, and ease symptoms of depression. Another great option is to talk to a therapist. They are experts and are there to help you. They have plenty of resources and techniques to teach you that will help you manage and overcome depression. And oftentimes, a weight is lifted off your shoulders after you talk about what you've been feeling. We've made it through the 10 ways to naturally overcome depression. Leave us a comment letting us know if you struggle with depression and what you do to treat it. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any of our new videos. Thanks for watching.